Multiple choice. Type the correct letter of your answer choice in the box to the left. Number 1. Mesopotamia is between the blank rivers. A. Nile and Euphrates. B. Euphrates and Persian. C. Tigris and Euphrates. Or D. Tigris and Nile. Number 2. A blank brings several peoples, nations, or independent states under the control of one ruler. A. Empire. B. City-states. C. Country. Or D. Code. Number 3. Hammurabi was the blank empire's greatest ruler. A. Sumerian. B. Persian. C. Turkish. Or D. Babylonian. Number 4. The laws of Hammurabi's code covered A. Family issues. B. Business conduct. C. Crime. Or D. All of the above. And number 5. By today's standards, the punishments for breaking the laws of Hammurabi's code were A. Severe. B. Easygoing. C. Fair. Or D. Weak. Make sure you've answered all 5 questions and typed a capital letter for your response to the left of each question.